Today we're checking out the Cold Case Radiators aluminum performance radiator for the 2014 to 18 Silverado and Sierra 1500. If you're wanting a more serious cooling setup for your truck and you like the idea of stepping into an all aluminum performance radiator, this is the kind of part that can really clean up the cooling side of your build, so it's definitely worth considering. This radiator is built to improve heat transfer and cooling efficiency. And that is the whole reason that somebody goes after a performance radiator in the first place. Some of the biggest features here are going to be the TIG welded aluminum construction and the 16 corrugated fins per inch, and the increased surface area for better thermal transfer. That makes this a strong option for Silverados that work hard, see hotter conditions, or just need better cooling foundation than that stock unit. It's also a direct fit replacement, which is a nice plus because you get the cooling benefits of a performance piece without having to reinvent the setup and do any custom fabrication just to make it fit. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting 100% TIG welded aluminum with polished tanks and a raw aluminum finish. That's exactly the kind of material that you want in a performance radiator because it's built for strength, improved heat transfer, and a cleaner, high performance look under the hood. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the low 700s price range. That's gonna put it in the premium price category, but it's commanded by a premium product. It is an all aluminum performance radiator with upgraded construction and better cooling focused design. That price tracks for somebody who wants more than a stock style replacement. When it comes to the install on this one, it's getting rated 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in only 2 hours of your time. It's a pretty straightforward install since it's a direct fit replacement. Most of the work on this one is gonna come from clearing space by getting the fan out and getting everything out of the way. But once that's done, you lift the old one out. This one's gonna drop right in its place as a direct fit replacement, and it's a straightforward install. That's gonna wrap up my review of the Cold Case Radiators aluminum performance radiator for the 2014 to 18 Silverado and Sierra 1500. And for all things trucks, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.